Dear students, this is very good question of JEE Mains 2025. The number of points of discontinuity of fx is equal to greatest integer function of x square by 2 minus greatest integer function of a square root of x. Okay, and the x belongs to 0 to 4. It is interval, close interval. So we include 0 and 4. So see, if x is 0, both are integer. If x is 4, both are integers. So first check at these points. At x is equal to 0. Okay. Since we have to move right side, so I am taking right hand limit. Right hand limit x tends to 0 plus. So what is this? Put here 0, so it is 0. And then minus of this one, a square root of 0. So this is 0 coming. Clear? Okay. And then f0, again this is 0, and this one is also 0, so this is 0. So what we see, right hand limit and the value at the 0, value at 0 is equal to 0. So both are equal, therefore it is continuous at x is equal to 0. Now test at x is equal to 4. Left hand limit I am taking. Why? Left hand limit. Why? Because it is inside this one, so left hand limit will be there, less than 4. So left hand limit at x is equal to 0, x tends to 0 minus. So what will be here? This will be 16 by 2 and minus a square root of 4. This is equal to 8 and minus this is 2. So what we get? 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. And F4 is what? F4, put the same thing is coming here. See, 16 by 2 minus the square root of 4. This one is equal to 8 minus 2 and this is 6. So continuous at x is equal to 4. Okay. Now the integer is here 1. This one is this one will be discontinuous at x is equal to 1. So at x is equal to 1, what we check? This function is discontinuous. Okay. So root x is discontinuous. Okay. Because it is integral point, so at x is equal to discontinuous. Or if it is 1 by 2 is there, then it is continuous. So continuous minus discontinuous will be the discontinuous. So it is discontinuous at x is equal to 1. Okay. Now test for this one. If x square by 2 is integral value 1, this implies x is equal to root 2. So at x is equal to root 2, it is discontinuous. Now x square by 2 is equal to 2. This implies x is equal to 2. At this point, it is also discontinuous. Okay. And x square by 2 is equal to 3. This implies x is equal to root 6. I am taking only positive here. See, interval is given in positive. So it is here. Now x square by 2 is equal to 4, integral point. So x is equal to root 8. Okay, and this belongs to this interval, so no problem. This is discontinuous at this point. X square by 2, okay, is equal to 5. This implies x is equal to root 10. Why only I am taking the positive? Because the domain is 0 to 4. Okay, and x square by 2 is equal to 6. This implies x is root 12. Root 12 is also less than 4, and x square by 2 is equal to 7. So this implies x is equal to root 14. Root 14 is less than root 16. So one more, and 4 I have already tested. So the point of discontinuity is x is equal to 1, root 2, root 8, root 14, root 8, this is 2, this is root 10, this one is root 6, this one is root 12. So count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So number of points of discontinuity is equal to 8. 8 is answer. Okay. Number of points of discontinuity is 8. So 8 is the answer. Okay. Thank you.